Consistency is the major key. So you're going to click on this. You're going to open your ChemSketch application or software on your laptop. All these options, you're just going to close them all. So in this section of this video, I want to teach you guys how to make bonds, how to make rings, how to convert a single bond into double bond, and how to do all of those things. So the first thing I'm going to do is, firstly, we want to make a ring. So the option is here, right here. This is benzene ring. So we want to pick this benzene ring out here. So now we have made this benzene ring. I want to make a single bond, want to make a single bond out here, a single bond in every side, just like an example of a compound lindane, which have chlorine in all the six carbons of the benzene ring. And the example of that compound is lindane. Lindane is an anti-scabies agent which prevents scabies from the skin and the scalp of the hair. And the scalp, sorry. So you're going to click on this compound, this carbon. The moment you click on that carbon, sorry about that. The moment you click on that carbon, 2 times, you double click, it's going to create a bond automatically. So you want to convert this single bond into double bond, you're going to double click on it as well. But currently this carbon is already having 4 valency. Carbon have 4 valency only. It cannot have more than 4 valency. But we want to make this second carbon right here to have double bond. So by doing that, you're going to click on it. And if you click on it 2 times, 3 times, it's going to convert from single bond, from a sigma bond to pi bond. So this is how we make bonds. So this is just an example. This is not a compound. I'm just using this to explain to you guys, okay? So this is how you make that bond successfully. I'm going to go back to the beginning now. So we want to make a phenol ring now. Okay, we want to make phenol. Example, we want to make phenol right now. So you're going to come to this section right here, edit atom label. Once you click on edit atom label, you will click on the compound you want to edit the atom to. I'm going to use OH because that is phenol. Insert. Immediately you insert, this compound have automatically turned to phenol. Okay, so this is phenol right now. This is how you change the compound. This is how you change the label atom. Yeah, this is how you edit atom label. And this section right here is what you can use to name your compound. This is phenol. This is phenol structure. Okay, so you can also change the heading because you have to name every chemical structure you draw because all chemical structure have its own name. If you detected a new chemical structure, you are going to add it there as project work. Sorry about that. Structure. Yeah, phenol structure. So I want to change the heading actually to a different one, but it's not required right now. So the next thing I want to do is I want to minimize this. I want to reduce it. Sorry, not minimize it. I want to reduce it a little bit more. It's your choice to use any size you want. So this is phenol. This is how to name a compound. This is how to add a substitute to a compound. And if you want to change this substitute to a different compound, example, toluene. Toluene is the one a compound with one methyl substitute on the benzene ring. So you're going to click on C. You're going to add CH3. So sorry about that. 3. So once you do that, you're going to insert, and automatically this is toluene. So you're going to do the same procedure over and over again to change the compound to any compound you want. Sorry, to change the structure to any compound you want. So that is how to change the substitute in the benzene ring or any bond, how to convert from single bond to pi bond, how to convert from sigma bond to pi bond. I just explained that right here. And what else again? Yeah, those are the basic things you need to know. And how do you connect 2 carbons to each other? You connect 2 carbons to each other by using these 2 right here, normal draw. Once you click on normal draw, you can click on this And when you want to connect this carbon to another carbon, you could double click on it as well. It automatically connects to another carbon. As you can see, this carbon is connected to this carbon as well. And if you want to do the same thing again, you will also repeat by double tapping. So as you can see, we just did the same thing and we almost make a ring. So if you want to make a ring from the beginning, you can also do the same thing. So as you can see, this is no, this is not a chiral carbon. But if you want to turn this this structure into chiral carbon is a carbon that's having different compounds connected to it. So we can add methyl substitute here. We can change this to OH. Sorry. So let's start with drawing a chiral carbon right now. Okay. So I will delete every other necessary things that here, and that we are going to focus on just this compound alone. I hope I'm not too fast, and if I am, please be patient. And if you don't understand what I do before, feel free to pause and replay. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right there for now because I just want to go straight to changing this compound to a clearer carbon. I'm going to change this to we can add amine substitute here, primary amine there, and we can add OH here. This is not a compound. I'm just using this as an example for you guys to know what a chiral carbon means. So this is another substitute right here. And we can add ethyl, which is C2H5, which is an alkyl group. So this carbon right here is a chiral carbon right now because this is connected to different compounds. Here we have methyl, here we have primary amine, here we have hydroxy group, and here we have an alkyl group, which is ethane. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next section, which we are going to design and draw a chemical structure like a pro. Thanks for watching.